good.
Oh, use it.
Just
Amber, hurry up before I run out of film.
then stop recording for a minute. Just press the flash button. Ready?
Go.
Now I have to open it.
What?
The iPod Touch, really?
Really?
It's the third generation one!
Yeah.
You need to find a cheap one! What?
Third
Oh my
generation.
god!
I didn't even know I was supposed to get the
eight-
best one. You mean I could... Let's take it back to the store and I'll get you the cheaper
No
one.
way! Oh
All right.
my god!
What does that do?
It is the most amazing technology on this earth! Mom, I can take pictures with this thing. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think you can.
I can.
Let's get a crowbar. Get a crowbar from the garage.
Watch. I cannot wait to use this thing.
Neat.
Take
Look at
pictures.
that.
What is it, a camera?
Hold on, I got it's like a music player, but you can go on the internet and you can put pictures on
Yeah,
it,
for
apps
me,
on
on
it, text
Netflix.
on it.
It does everything but the phone. You can't make a phone call on it, but it does all that other internet
Make
stuff.
a phone call on it. You can make a phone call on it, can you? Uncle Bill.